I am incognito. No?
Yes,
Can you hear me now?
yes. Good morning.
I have to reach Mumbai from Chennai.
Oh,
Chennai to Mumbai, my image should travel and reach there. I'm joking. It
Mhm,
takes microseconds to reach.
mhm.
So how's thing? How was your weekend, Madam
Weekend was
Saraswati?
weekend was good because last day, means yesterday, was my sister-in-law engagement. So we went
Hmm.
there.
90. That's not very good. Was it in a
Yes.
hotel or was it in
It
a
was the Jan
hall?
Hall. It was
Jan
Jan Hall.
hall.
Yes.
So when is the wedding?
Wedding is in December month,
Yeah,
coming
wedding
December.
is
Yeah.
okay. It's in December. So this is October, November, December. Hardly
Yeah.
2 months.
2 months. Yes.
So what are you planning? Where it will be same hall or different
No,
place
no,
or
that.
is
Hmm. So we will
I
get
I
lots of
have
options.
I have Filmora free version. And what do
Hmm.
you use? Which one you use in short or
Uh,
Kind Master?
no, no, I use Canva.
Canva.
In short, I also means I have means that software is installed in my PC, but I do not use that.
So can you
I
tell
use
me
Canva.
how to create a video using Canva? So that will be useful for our viewers, like beginning, right from
How to
beginning.
create videos.
Hmm.
For editing purpose, I only use Canva, not for create videos. I edit first as this video is
So
ready.
what do you do
So
once you get this video from Englishyaari? What is the first step?
first step, I download this video on my PC.
Mhm.
After that, I take that video in Canva
So you open
and
the Canva app.
yes, Canva app
It's
I
a
open.
website. If you're opening it in the mobile, in the
Yes,
laptop, it's a
yes,
website. It's a web
yes,
page. Okay. Then you
yes,
open Canva. Then okay. So you
yes.
open the page and then what do you do?
First, I take the video in Canva. After that, as I already said, means what will come in
You
the
will import. You will import that video to Canva.
yes, yes. I import the video in Canva.
So you have
After
to
that,
select a new project.
no, I do not select first. If you do the first time, so you can select. But as I have edit every day, so no need. I do not go like every day new project. I take the same one
So
and
you will
delete the
import. You
previous
will
one.
import. You delete the previous one and you import this Yari video to your Canva page.
Yes, so that
Okay.
the
Then
all things which I created first will be on their place. I just means keep the new videos on that place.
mhm. Okay.
And I after that I listen as this is only conversation video. So I listen.
So how you make cuts in between if you are like I mean digressing from the main topic, so you will
Yes,
remove that part. You just
remove
click
that
there,
part.
split it, and remove it, and
Yes.
then continue playing. Yeah,
And along with that, if there is some hard word, so I highlight that hard word and meaning.
you give the text.
Sometimes
So text option.
text option. Yes, and
Do you have the option to give captions, subtitles?
yes, all
Okay.
options are available like emojis you will get and
Hmm.
different types of colors you will get and text like different fonts you will get
Yeah, different
along with
color,
that.
different style, different style.
Sometimes you will also get the videos
Hmm.
like some scenery, sometimes some flowers.
Hmm.
Yes,
Hmm.
this way
So
I
you can
do.
choose. So how do you choose the thumbnail? So I recently watched that newspaper video, and that was great, a good
Mhm.
creation. That and you that was a reel. I think it was a reel, and there were a lot of newspapers coming from the that printer. So
Yes, that is
so you,
already, that is video actually. That is
mhm.
video we will get if we pay the if we take the paid version. So we
in the
will get this
Canva.
type of
In
yes
so
in
these are
Canva.
inbuilt options available
Yes,
in Canva.
yes, yes.
So if you are talking about newspapers, you can select that one.
Mm.
If you are
The
talking
word
about
you will
food,
type that type
food.
of sorry.
So if you're talking about food, you can take food related videos. If you're
Yes,
talking about health, you can take health
yes,
related videos. So
yes,
depending upon the topic, you can take a video and then you can edit and you can create a so-called thumbnail.
yes, yes. And it is only possible if we will pay for that. Otherwise, we can't pay.
Yeah, otherwise all these options won't be available. So
Yes.
how long it takes, right, from like opening the web page and finally saving the project, final product, and exporting. So how long it takes?
It depends on video length. Suppose the video length is 25 minutes,
Hmm.
and I listen the whole video again, and I split the videos and put the text. So
And the
after,
video.
yeah, suppose the video quality is like little bit dull,
Hmm.
or so there
Because
is
it
option.
depends on the lighting, or the coach, because
Yes, yes.
you can do it in your room, but sometimes the coaches are not that aware. This ma'am is a YouTuber, so their lighting, their voice, and their room, their appearance are not that good. So how do you manage that?
There are options like edit. So if we go there, we will get the option like brightness and contrast option,
Mhm.
and lots of options we will get. Suppose if I have to change the little quality of color like black and white, so I convert
Hmm.
that in black and white.
Okay.
Yes. For sharpness, I can increase the sharpness also.
Yeah. You can
Yes,
increase the sharpness of the picture. Hmm.
yes. You will get each and every option according to your means choice you can do. But
Hmm.
as this is conversational videos only, so I didn't get chance to do lots of things. At the same
Okay.
time, there are drawback in Canva, like only if the video is um, less than 1 minute,
Hmm.
so you can edit the videos like background change.
Okay.
Otherwise, it
Uh,
is not possible.
and when you are saving or when you are exporting it, which definition you choose? 1080 or 4K definition? High definition?
One already, I think it is said. I do not change each and every time. Only
Or
at the time
it's
of
fixed?
yes, yes, it is fixed. Like there is one standard size of videos for how long videos 1080
Hmm.
and 1920 something like that. I only means save one time, and every day I just download. And if I don't means click on the download option, so
Hmm.
automatically it will means convert um, and like MP4, it will convert into MP4. Drawback. Suppose if I create a video, short videos, and want means to change the background, because there is
Hmm.
option for background change also. If the background is green, so it is changed very well, and we can add different background according to our choice. But
See, now
only
my background is plain. So
hmm,
if I blur this background, which will be easier to change? A blurred background or a real background?
blur background is easier. And for video, if the background is green and proper
Hmm.
proper lighting will be there, so it you can change it easily, and people will not like understand the means background is changed.
So when you create a video, you can choose a green background. So I think there are standard green background. You can pull in one background and then you start adding your videos. What do you
No,
say?
no, no.
You
At the
can't do
time
that.
of shooting the video, our background should be green.
But how can I make my background green unless we have some curtains or a green
I
painted
have
wall?
taken curtain I have taken.
I don't see any curtains here.
But now I do not means keep that, no?
Okay,
Because
so
for certificate,
you have a green curtain.
yes,
So green curtain is the best background for video editing. You mean to
yes,
say?
yes. As
So
for photo editing, gray background is good, and for video editing, green background is good. If your background will be green, so it will be cut very easily, and people will not get understand means background is changed.
mhm. How did you learn all these tips and tricks? You learned by
I
yourself
Yes,
or
yes.
through YouTube, or you were working as a web designer, you learned it there. So can you tell
No,
me
there
your
I only edit.
journey through this video creation and
There I
you
only
got
edit photos. I have knowledge of photos, but
you creating a photo video. Like you add one picture, second, third,
no, no,
and just make a video.
no, not video. Only video. Like suppose there are, as I worked in Photoshop, so
Okay.
I changed the background of photos.
Okay. You worked with
Yes,
Photoshop as well.
yes.
So if I give you a group photo and one person in my family is missing, for example,
Mhm.
my one daughter is missing. So and I can give you another picture of my daughter. Can you
Yes,
add it into
yes,
that
yes,
group?
yes.
Easy.
Yes, very easy for me. Even I can change your background, like this is your now this time is white and your door is looking. So I can change and you will not recognize that your background was
Oh
white.
my God, where am I sitting?
Yes.
So
Even
you are a dangerous creator.
even in retouching and restoration also. If you
Restoration
give
also is
me,
very. Hmm.
yes, very bad photo if you give, I
But if
make
I
it.
give you a bad video, can you restore?
No, it is not.
Video restoration is difficult.
Yes. No, I
But
can
for
do, but in Canva, these options are not available because Canva is for thumbnail mostly, not for video editing.
uh-huh.
Mm.
So you create thumbnail using Canva, and then how do you edit your
Video
video?
also I
But
do, but for high standard videos, it is not helpful. The things means the features
so
I
for
required, I will not get there.
better videos, I think it's good for to go with Filmora or InShots or KineMaster.
Filmora,
KineMaster.
KineMaster, no, KineMaster is not for professional video editing. Lots of other
Professional is Filmora, I think. Professionals Filmora.
yes, Filmora is professional. Yes,
I
Filmora.
have I have a student in Englishyaari. He's an animated movie director. He's a
Mm-hmm.
director of cartoon movies. Big
Mm-hmm.
company he is running in Mumbai.
Yes.
So he suggested Filmora, and I
Mm-hmm.
downloaded Filmora, and I started doing some works with some video. But the problem is, like since I'm paid, it's
Mm-hmm.
all coming with a watermark.
Yes.
But
Even
I
my
heard there are
the one
some.
brother-in-law is working in colors. He is editor there, so he knows very well which software is good for editing, like
Which
Adobe
one?
Premium. Adobe
Which one?
Premium is Adobe
Adobe.
Premium.
It is
Adobe,
Adobe.
Adobe
Adobe
Premium.
Premium.
Yes,
Hmm.
yes, that is professional software, and for editing, mm, what we say, serials and
Wow.
yes, they
Live
use that
editing.
software.
Live
Yes,
editing.
live editing. Yes.
Yeah,
So
that's
he suggested me,
that is
Bhabhi,
high
install
tech.
that application. So, but it is paid version and it is so very costly.
It's very expensive.
Yes,
Don't say costly, it's
it's
expensive.
very expensive. Yes, it's very expensive
So what else in your bucket list?
for video editing.
Anything in your life?
Um, in
You
my
want to
life, there are lots of
act in
things.
a movie? You want to edit a movie, or you want to work as in the technical team of a movie, how to
Yes,
create a
yes.
movie, or you want to act because you are in Maharashtra, Mumbai.
Actually, I got chance in multinational company also. Like they what we say, edit photos
Mhm.
I actually I was selected there, but that job was far away from my place. So that time my mother was there. So she
Mhm.
told that don't go and join that.
Connected with many corporate leaders and professional videographers, video editor, and you can get paid or you can get employed.
But I only don't want to do anything. I just want to spend time with my daughter as I'm learning this language English, and I have my YouTube channel. So my future
You are
goal is
happy.
yes,
You are content with what you have now.
yes.
You are
Because
you
when I
feel
left
you
my
are
job,
blessed.
uh, quit my job, that time I decided I will never miss go for job. Whatever
You will
I will
be
even
self-employed.
yes, whether it is small or big, I will do my own only. I will be boss of my own only. No
You
one
are
will
your own boss.
boss. Yes,
You will not be a yes boss person. You will be your own boss.
yes,
But after some time, you can be a freelancer. You can
yes.
be a freelancer. You can create videos for others. Like if I want a video, I can ask you, and you can. Yeah, this is my charges. You send the pictures.
Even
There
I
are you can
also did like freelancer work
yeah
also.
yeah
I have one or
like
two clients till now. I
uh-huh.
means I edit their photos. I
Wow.
yes, but now this time I less to means I decrease to do these types of work because really takes it's time consuming. And once I started, so they only give lots of work. So I didn't get time to spend with my daughter. That's the reason earlier I had number of clients at home
Wow.
also. Yes,
There are many video editors. They seek or we seek their help, and we can send them pictures, and they make beautiful birthday videos or
yes,
anniversary videos or wedding videos.
yes,
They mint money from this. So hi everyone. So this is our multi hyphenated learner, multi hyphenated. She is a YouTuber, she is a coach, she is a mother of a beautiful daughter, she is a web designer, whatnot. She is a cook. So she is such a multi hyphenated, and shortly she will be posting a video on Canva how to create fantastic videos. Please watch out. Thank you very
thank
much.
you,
Tata.
thank you.